So if you need to know the size of something and you can't remember how big you drew it, and it's important that it has to be accurate, you can use this one here, which is called the measuring tool. Click on that, it opens up a little window for you. Okay, and I'm just going to go from this point here to this point here, and it will tell me that that's exactly 22 mil. So if, for instance, I wanted this thing to be 20 mil high instead of 22 mil, what I could do, now that I know that this is 2 mil too high, is I could go back to this tool. I could choose my extrude tool again, choose this top surface, and if I go down by -2, okay, press enter, I know now, it's made a funny shape for me, but that doesn't matter, from here to here now, if I measured, will be 20. So let's try that out and see if it works. 1 point, 2 points, 20 mil. So the measuring tool is useful for getting things accurate. Okay, let me show you the text tool. Just before I use the text tool, I'm just going to choose a surface to put my text on. I'm just going to stand this one out a little bit, make it a little more interesting. Okay, I'm going to put my text on here. Choose my text tool. It says which surface do I want to put on. You can see as I hover over they change colour. I'm going to put it on this one, so I'll click when I'm on there. And then the second click says where do I want to start my text. So if I put it down somewhere like this, I'm going to type in something simple like my name. And if it's not positioned the way I want it, I can either move the angle or I can move the start position. So let's get it roughly where I want it. I don't want to change the size of it or the font itself for now. I'll leave that all as normal and click OK. At the moment, all that's done, if I show you, is it's just basically printed the word on there. But if I wanted to 3D print this model to actually make it into a solid object for real, I might want it to stick out. So I can click on my text, click on this little icon or hover over it, and choose this one that says Extrude Text. Choose Extrude, in the same way as before, I can pull it out, say 3 mil out, click off it, and although that looks a bit weird, it looks weird because it's still got what's called sketches switched on. So if I come over here and I can say hide my sketches, then I get the solid object. And again, if I wanted to make that look a little bit easier to see, again, options over here, I can say I want the material and the outline, and that puts an outline edge around it. So sometimes that's nice to be able to see what things look like.